Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Amazon marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of making some good money with Amazon. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Amazon in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 5 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1, Amazon Basics. In videos 1 through 3, we'll talk about what's Amazon all about, why you should care about Amazon, and how you can make money with Amazon. Section 2, the hottest ways to make money with Amazon. In videos 4 through 8, we'll talk about selling your products, selling your services, self-publishing, selling with FBA, and becoming an affiliate. Section 3, the Amazon Associates Program. In videos 9 through 12, we'll talk about setting up an Amazon affiliate website, setting up your Amazon Associates account, finding the best affiliate offers to promote, and writing content for your Amazon affiliate website. Section 4, Advanced Amazon Affiliate Tricks. In videos 13 through 16, we'll talk about the hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate sites, using Amazon native shopping ads, advanced FBA strategies, and embedding an Amazon A-store into a Facebook page. Section 5, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's to apply, don'ts to avoid, premium tools and services to consider, and shocking case studies. Well, it's time for you to start making some good money from Amazon. I know you'll love this training. Welcome to Section 1 of our Amazon Marketing Video Training. In this section, we'll talk about what's Amazon all about, why you should care about Amazon, and how you can make money with Amazon. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What's Amazon all about? If you have used Amazon, you already have a good idea of what the company is all about. It's all about making things easier. With humble origins rooted in the online bookstore niche, it has grown to be the world's biggest and most successful online retailer. Amazon functions on the principle of delivering to anyone, anywhere in the world, and deliver it does. It just doesn't deliver goods. It also delivers great service and opportunities to everyone, with up to 280,000 estimated new job openings for the coming year, support for new profit organizations around the world, and enterprising options to people from all walks of life. What are some of the key elements that make Amazon such an important organization? It has the potential to impact your life in ways you might not be aware of. Amazon proudly highlights the following. Transformations. Amazon refers to transformation as the act of empowering others to help them transform their lives. It has achieved this by letting people unleash their creativity and fuel their passion through the Amazon platform. Authors, developers, small businesses, and nonprofits have used the Amazon platform and marketplace to achieve success and transform their lives, as well as the lives of those around them. Opportunities. While transformation is the goal, the opportunity will drive you to follow your passion and fulfill your dreams. Amazon offers people an opportunity that was not possible in the past unless you were favored by a privileged background. Whatever creation you have in mind is now possible without limitations thanks to Amazon. The Amazon platform is the right place for you whether you have adventurous aspirations such as publishing a book or getting a movie or series made, or if you have more industrious aspirations such as selling products, making money online, or starting a career. Economic impact. The fact that Amazon is giving people the opportunity to easily do what they love and transform their lives has had a positive economic impact on the people living the dream and on their communities and the world at large. Besides, Amazon directly employs 300,000 people, fostering a culture of economic growth through job openings and entrepreneurship. In the community, Amazon gives back to the world that helped it grow by contributing to the communities where its employees and customers live. These contributions come in a wide variety of ways, including computer skills education for kids, financial help for nonprofits in need, legal assistance for communities, healthy food stops, environmental action, and disaster relief efforts. Innovation. Amazon prides itself on being a true technological pioneer. It wants to improve commerce, customer service, consumer goods, and alternative energy sources. Some innovations introduced by Amazon in the aforementioned fields include the Amazon Marketplace itself, drone delivery, one-click ordering at home, and its wind and solar farms. Working at Amazon. Amazon is a place where builders, inventors, and innovators can perform their best and delight customers with compelling products and services through operational excellence and focused execution. It is a working environment that fosters diversity, curiosity, and community building. Sustainability. Amazon is not only about the profits. It wants you to know that by putting its inventive culture to work on sustainability and by protecting the environment. Starting with environmentally friendly packaging, Amazon is making great efforts to achieve 100% renewable energy for its global infrastructure footprint. Stay tuned to discover what all this means for you and how you can change your life the Amazon way. Why you should care about Amazon. Amazon.com is as gigantic can be. It started with a man in his garage with a strong desire to change the way we buy our stuff. Now, Amazon is the undisputed leader of the online retail market, with many overseas enterprises copying their business model, making life easier for everyone in many ways. The first thing that people think about when they picture Amazon is shopping. You're more than likely to make a purchase on Amazon.com, seeing as how people can even buy foods and fresh produce there. It is like a giant global supermarket that has it all. Over 95 million people visit and buy stuff on Amazon on a monthly basis, which means that there is a lot of money exchanging hands in the Amazon marketplace. Have you ever wondered how much money Amazon merchants make per month? More importantly, should you care about how much money they make? Absolutely yes. Not only can you become an Amazon merchant, but you can also live the high life by doing so. It is a possibility, and we are going to teach you how. Right now, we want you to open your eyes and see why you should care about Amazon and why you should start making money with it. Awesome benefits. Amazon is a godsend for online vendors. Anyone with a passing interest in making money online should try Amazon, because basically any type of method for making money online can be exploited in the platform. Let's take a look at some of its most hyped benefits. It is the largest online marketplace. Amazon is an international marketplace where anyone with an internet connection can make a purchase. Hundreds of millions of customers navigate Amazon in search of all kinds of products and services, so there's no limit when it comes to whom you want to sell to. You can sell all types of goods, including electronics, beauty products, sporting goods, music, apps, games, books, foods, collectibles, and so on. Whatever it is, there is someone looking for it in the Amazon marketplace. It can take care of your inventory. Fulfillment by Amazon, most commonly known as FBA, is an inventory management service offered by Amazon to sellers. FBA is all about sending your inventory to Amazon's warehouses and having them take care of it. They will not only store it, they will also package and ship it to your customers. They will even take care of customer service for you. No listing fees. Go to any online marketplace and check their policies to see how long you have to read to find their listing fees. Amazon frees you up from this limitation by allowing you to list your products without paying a cent. You only pay when you sell your stuff. It is a digital-friendly environment. When you sell on Amazon, you have to pay attention to everything you can do in the marketplace because it is a pioneer when it comes to technology. For starters, Amazon has an entire platform dedicated to helping self-publishers get their work out there. Writers, musicians, and developers have had nothing short of success once they employ Amazon to launch their creations. It is not that Amazon allows you to simply upload a digital edition of your work of art to their marketplace, but it empowers you with tools to self-publish without the limitations and financial costs inherent to the publishing industry. It is innovative. The future is bright for Amazon and its merchants. The company is boldly introducing technology such as one-click buying, dash buttons, web services, and sci-fi-worthy stuff such as delivery by drones. Innovation like this can only bring in more customers, so that means more sales for you. It is helping people and communities. Every time you sell something on Amazon, you are inadvertently contributing to the improvement of communities and many people's lives. Amazon gives back to the world by dedicating a good portion of its revenue to nonprofit organizations, educational programs, environmental action, charities, and disaster relief efforts, to name a few. It can change your life for the better. Making money on Amazon is not a mere get-rich-quick online type of endeavor. It is a serious undertaking that will drastically improve your life if you put in the effort. Think of Amazon as the best business partner you can get. Shocking facts. Amazon.com started out as an online bookstore. Amazon, the name of the company, was primarily chosen to represent the vision of scale held by its founder, as the Amazon River is the largest river in the world. It was also because back in the 90s, websites were listed alphabetically. Amazon.com is one of the most valuable brands in the world, currently worth $250 billion. Amazon's net revenue hit $107 billion in sales in 2015. Amazon.com currently commands 10% of the e-commerce market in North America. If that does not sound like much, consider that another 10% is held by the rest of the big players, such as Walmart and Office Depot, with the remaining 80% alternating between the rest of the e-commerce retailers. Amazon.com is home to 310 million active user accounts worldwide. As of 2014, 37% of sales in the Amazon marketplace came from overseas markets. Amazon made $3 billion in one day during the 2015 Cyber Monday sale. To give you an idea of how large the distribution chain is that the company manages, it has been estimated that the combined size of all of Amazon's warehouses can hold as much water as 10,000 Olympic pools and some more. The Amazon.com logo is designed to symbolize a smile that goes from A to Z, showcasing the willingness of the company to deliver to anyone, anywhere in the world. How you can make money with Amazon. Making money off the internet has been everybody's aspiration ever since the internet was invented, and with good reason. Making money online has been a successful income stream for those who have mastered it, and you can bet that making money with Amazon is not an exception. In fact, making money with Amazon is one of the safest and best ways to make money online, because it offers a complete infrastructure where it only matters what you have to offer and how much people end up liking it. Amazon will take care of the rest. Whether you offer a professional service or an innovative product, Amazon has a way to monetize it. Here are some of the many ways in which you can make money with Amazon. Sell on Amazon. With over 95 million unique monthly visitors, it is safe to assume that you have used Amazon before, mostly to buy something. What if we tell you that you can become the one that sells something to those 95 million people? That's right, Amazon is a goldmine, and you might not have realized it until now. That is precisely why you are watching this, and we have good news for you. If you have a product, there are millions of people willing to buy it on Amazon. No matter if you want to sell some of your old collectibles or if you want to try selling your art, whatever it is, you can sell it on Amazon. Sell your services on Amazon. We are aware that the vast majority of people know that Amazon is the place to go when you want to buy goods online. But did you know that it will also allow you to sell your services? Yes. Finally, a fail-safe alternative to posting your services on those online classified ads that only bring headaches. Selling services on Amazon allows professionals to offer their services in an organized manner in their area of residence, making it easier to arrange schedules and payments, while also making it easier to reach a wider audience, helping skilled pros go from salesman to businessman. Sell on Amazon Business. Amazon is a platform that is tailored for both individual and corporate merchants. It offers a seller a central location for their business to operate. Once you grow as a seller and start your own business, you'll find out that you will require more resources and a more refined system to operate. And that's exactly when Amazon Business enters the picture. Amazon Business provides merchants with automation systems, workflow systems, payment approval systems, and other features that help businesses greatly simplify and streamline the purchasing process for companies in a given business supply chain. What once took companies a trip to a factory can now be done from a smartphone and get it ready in an afternoon. Sell your apps on Amazon. These days, it is easier than ever to create apps and games. What used to take several software engineers and years of production now only takes months, often weeks, and can be done without coding skills. It only takes a great idea and creative, driven people to create and sell amazing apps and games. What is often omitted is that once an app or game is released, you have to figure out where and how to sell it. Amazon has an awesome solution for that in the form of the Amazon App Store. The Amazon App Store allows developers to reach app-hungry customers in 236 countries around the world and unrestricted access to tools to further improve, market, and monetize their creations. Become an affiliate. Are you good at recommending stuff to people? Do you like to review video games and movies on the internet? Maybe you are a computer buff and love to write extensively about what you like and don't like about new technology. Maybe you like talking about geeky stuff like comics, memorabilia, and other cool stuff. It might surprise you to learn that you can become an Amazon associate. Create a niche website to talk about product recommendations and get paid for every customer that purchases on Amazon through your site. Everybody loves Amazon, so you're more than guaranteed a steady affiliate income. Advertise your products. Amazon, being the unquestionable leader of the online retail world, knows a thing or two about advertising. Hence, it offers a platform to advertise your products. Advertising products on Amazon is mainly targeted at merchants who want to boost sales of the products they have listed in the Amazon Marketplace. But there are other advertising objectives available as well. Amazon is one of the most revered platforms by ebook self-publishers around the world because Amazon offers them advertising tools to help them reach new audiences in specific genres and promote backlist titles alongside new releases. If you sell something that does not fit the Amazon Marketplace, or if you simply wish to use your own sales channel, you can still advertise your products or services to the millions of ready-to-buy Amazon customers on a global scale. You can also market your apps with a few clicks of your mouse. Self-publish with Amazon. If you want to self-publish a book, or if you want to create something that you think major publishing houses are likely to pass on, Amazon is the place for you. Amazon has 3 different platforms for all self-publishing flavors. CreateSpace for print books, Kindle Direct Publishing for digital books, and ACX for audiobooks. Each platform will allow you to retain a degree of control over your work not possible any other way, with a global audience ready to get its hands on your masterpieces. Become an Amazon vendor. Amazon gives the opportunity to those with a supply chain to become an Amazon vendor, not by simply listing on Amazon, but by selling their products to Amazon itself. That's right. If you plan to sell goods such as electronics or beauty products, you can sell them directly to Amazon. You just have to supply and get paid. They'll take care of everything else.